Hello everyone. Today we're going to be exploring an abandoned office building that was once an architect and engineering firm. Now this place has sadly been trashed by vandals, but there's still a lot of cool stuff to see in here. So let's go explore this building and see what we can find. So this must have been the main office. Look at this old computer tower. I used to have one like that. Look at all these cassette tapes. This old clock. An answering machine. I haven't seen one of those in a really long time. So these are old zip drive discs. Does anybody remember using those? They were they were like a step up from the floppy disk, but they didn't really take off because technology's kind of progressed past them. So this must have been a meeting room. Look at all these old chairs. These old lights here. And this old wallpaper. Really cool. Yeah, and so somebody smashed this off the wall, but we have this piece of artwork right here. Kind of cool. Kind of a 70s style artwork. I don't know, but I like it. Yeah, this is where they must have had like boardroom meetings and things like that. I really like these exposed ceiling beams. It's just a really nice touch. And we have these fake plants. So this must have been one of the main office areas, and we have these little cubicles here. So I never worked in an office before, so I don't know what it's like to actually be in a cubicle. So at least you have a nice view. Yeah, and so it looks like just some probably teenagers were in here smashing things and drinking, and you know, I hate seeing that so much. It's really frustrating, and it gives people like me who explore ethically a bad name. Look at this drafting table. Oh, that's awesome. Look at these old file cabinets. Now this is an old school computer disk. Wow. Just look at this beautiful stairway. Just lots of nice architecture in this building. It's a shame to see it like this, but if someone wanted to, they could fix this up. It wouldn't be too hard. Look at this old monitor. How cool is that? These are some old posters. And this chair. Oh, I love that. Wow, look at this wall. Look at that wallpaper design. That is so cool to see that. Oh, and it goes along the top here too. Just a nice old school touch. Look at this old couch. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh my gosh. I would definitely have that in my living room if I could. And so this was a little balcony area. And of course it's all smashed, unfortunately. But this must have been like a really nice spot if you were working here. And I just noticed this. This is an old light fixture. Look at that. How cool is this thing? Imagine what that must have looked like lit up. Check out this old clock radio. That's awesome. And look at this. This is I don't know what you call it. It's kind of like one of those ergonomic chairs that you can kind of, I think you can get massages in it. Let me know in the comments what these things are called and what they're for exactly. So this must have been like a little kitchen break room area. I'm guessing because of the sink. And somebody actually felt the need to like cut open this couch and spread the filling all around the room. Oh my gosh, these people, it's really sad that these people feel the need to do things like this. They have no lives. Anyway, I think I'm going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you for watching, and to the people who felt the need to smash up this place, I just want to extend both my middle fingers towards you. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Really cool building, really cool to see all those old school office appliances. Love seeing stuff like that. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.